So this is the Albert Boscov Plaza parking garage here in Reading, Pennsylvania. And here's the elevator. It's an Otis with Series 5. Now this elevator was broken the last time we came here back in February. And now it's working, so let's see how it's doing. And here it is. And it's glass. Take it to 5. Here on 5. Right down the ground, door closed bar works. Typical basic parking garage elevator, nothing really too exciting, other than it being glass. There's our frame of security. These are your Series 5 buttons. There's no certificate in this elevator. Capacity is starting 100. There's your Otis nameplate, your floor indicator, and there are your egg lanterns. And you're back at ground. I'll go back up to 5 to get a view. This time we'll watch the numbers going up. Here are 5. There goes the elevator. And now let's go out here and get a quick view. And over here, this older looking building is the Goggleworks Entertainment Center for the Arts. So there's a sign there. And you got a big sign on top of the building. Goggleworks Center for the Arts. Here's your view towards downtown Reading. And over here, we'll get a good view towards the west side of Reading in RAC, Reading Area Community College. There's your view where Penn Street and 2nd Street meet. There's the Miller Center for the Arts. Pretty much this property here and this property here all owned by RAC. That garage there is the front of Washington garage, an apartment building, and another apartment building right there. And down there is an IMAX theater. It doesn't appear there's another elevator in this garage, so we're gonna go back down this elevator and end the video. Here's your manpower elevator. And now let's go back down the electric elevator. I believe this elevator parks on 1, so we're going to be waiting for a little bit. And here's the elevator. Alright, we're back down the ground. Now I guess we'll watch out the window going back down. And you're around. Watch button go out. We'll send this up to 5 and then we'll watch the elevator go up from the street here. There it goes. Alright, I guess that will be it.